Life can move pretty fast, and you can never know when it's going to throw a curveball at you. Whether it's an unexpected bill or any other cash emergency that comes your way, online title loans are a fast and easy way to get the access to the extra cash you need without the headaches and hassles of a traditional loan. With our convenient online title loan option, we come to you. No store visit is required. Get started by calling one of our friendly representatives who will help you complete your application over the phone. Once approved, our representative will meet you at the location of your choice for a brief vehicle inspection and verify the required items. These items include a driver's license, a state-issued ID, lien-free title to your vehicle, and a vehicle for inspection. After your loan documents are signed, the money is deposited into your account no later than the next business day. Why wait? Get your online title loan of up to $15,000 today.